are here with a good news for the post-basic Pbbsc nursing students.
We are making some videos for you and I'm sure it will help you to score more.
Along with your studies, our videos will enable you to score a great mark in your university examination.
As we know, Pbbsc Nursing is a 2-year additional degree program. It has 2 annual exams.
We prepare videos for you that cover each exam. In the first year, there are total 8 papers. So could you please mention the name of the papers?
Yeah. Fundamentals of Nursing, Nutrition and Dietetics, Biochemistry and Biophysics.
Yes, Biochemistry and Biophysics. The duration of this exam is 3 hours and 1.5 hours for the Biochemistry and 1.5 hours for Biophysics. Other than that, Psychology, Microbiology.
Others are Maternal Nursing, Child Health Nursing and Medical Surgical Nursing.
Okay, these are the theory exams. Additionally, you have the practical exams too.
The second year subjects are Sociology, Community Health Nursing, Mental Health Nursing,
then Introduction to Nursing Administration and Introduction to Nursing Education. Don't forget to watch the upcoming series of videos that is just for you.
Do you need notes to review what you have learned? Are you searching for a good study material?
Yes, here is the complete solution for you. Download Nursing Guru application from the Play Store and select your needed course. And it is prepared by a lots of expert teachers for the future nurses.
And it is completely for free. Why waiting? Download it now.
We will back soon with exam preparation videos, so subscribe our channel and enable the bell notification so you don't miss any single video.